Let's see a CLE 53 AMG with Expect car care.
Never wash your car before cleaning your wheels first.
Don't touch your paint before pre-washing first. Pre-wash with snow foam and let dirt drip off. Create a lubricating barrier for a safe contact wash. Make your car shine, water and dirt repellent for 2 to 3 months with glow up ceramic spray coating. Use a pull-off drying towel to dry your entire car without leaving streaks of water behind. Protect your tires and give them a satin finish. Make your windows clear without leaving smears. Give your car the care it expects with Expect Car Care.